Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Saturday, another shave, and a little bit of housekeeping first. If this is going up late, I've had a mega busy day today, and it was unavoidable, so apologies for that. Secondly, thank you to all the new subscribers. I've had a flurry overnight. Welcome to the party. Thanks for joining the family. And if you're a new viewer to the channel, please click like and subscribe. Sorry, bit tongue-tied. Please click like and subscribe. If you're a returning customer, thank you very much. The door's cracked open, we know what that means. Amazon are just 6 stops away. That translates into the size of the estate that we live in, the close proximity. That translates into about 10 minutes, so the shave is probably going to get interrupted for an Amazon delivery, and it's not even shaving related. Okay, I'll run down with the stuff. Hopefully we'll get that done before the Amazon driver comes. But before all that, I will show you what my shave of the day is. Let me know what your shave of the day is, and what's the other SOTD in Johnsville on a Saturday. Right, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. I've had the mother of all days, so I'm starting mine early. Here's the good stuff, a touch of the black stuff. Enjoy, have a good day. Oh my word, I needed that, and we'll finish it off later on. Let's crack on with the shave. The star of today's show, here it is. Look at that, YAQI 24mm tuxedo look. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Some good backbone in there, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's called the YAQI Naples. Wonderful. Whenever I look at colours like that, I think, wouldn't that be a good colour for a guitar? There's a Fender Strat in that colour. But anyway, there you go. Look, retro. It's called the YAQI Naples. And doesn't it look like you would see it in a 1950s Italian bathroom next to an old razor, just waiting for old Giuseppe or anybody else with an Italian name to come along and use it. Okay, other Italian names are available, but we're going to put that into the John Shaves Super Soaker there. That's the brush we're going to be using. The soap we're going to be using, here it is, look. Check this out, guys. Uncle John's Fresh Cotton. And this, it smells like. It smells. Do you know when your wife washes the sheets in summer and they get hung on the line? In winter they get done in the dryer. In summer they get hung on the line. And when they come in, you can smell the sunshine, can't you? You can smell the sunshine, you can smell the outdoors, and you sleep like a log, don't you? That's what that smells like. And encapsulate that. There isn't complex scents, there isn't a multitude of scents. God, it just smells like fresh, clean linen sheets hung to dry on a beautiful summer's day. God, YouTube channel, this guy, Uncle John. Oh man, I've had a bit of a chat to him. His videos are brilliant. Post a link, go and watch his videos, absolutely. So that's the soap that we're using. We'll put that there. And then a splash up. So we've got fresh cotton sheets. Baby powder, that's what this smells like to me. Johnson's baby powder, absolutely wonderful stuff. Smells fantastic. Brilliant skin feel. Oh, it does. Oh wow, yeah, there you go. And the 1950s retro feel. It's all slotting in nice tonight. This afternoon we're going to balm up with this because it's got the blue on. Real Shave Company, Post Shave Soothing Balm. It's good stuff, this, guys. Over here it costs about £1. It's about $1.30 or something, but it's very heavily concentrated, and it's good stuff. It is good stuff. And then the pièce de résistance. Here we go. Check out this. This is the one that I bought, but not the one that was gifted to me. And I will tell you there's a reason for this now. See this? That's the Edwin Jagger 316 in blue. And what we're going to be putting in that is a Gillette super blue blade. These blades are thin and they're very sharp. and we'll put it in here now, and I'll tell you why I'm using this razor today. Here we go. It's because it is going to be the 1000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you to the generosity who sent me one. It's only because he very kindly sent me one in the box. Absolutely pristine, wonderful condition. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to treasure it. It's still in the box in there. I've put the feather blades with it. It's absolutely lovely now. I'm going to keep that and treasure that. He gave me all the Wickham stuff, which I'll be using soon, and he's given me so much other stuff for the channel. Been a real support to the channel. Thank you very much, and thank you to his generosity. I am able to give that one that I bought away as a 1000 subscriber giveaway. So get me up to 1000, guys. As soon as I hit it, I will do a separate video. That'll be cleaned after today. There it is, look. Gillette stainless. Super blue blade stainless. Yeah, what it'll do, it will be cleaned today. I'll take that on. We'll get that on there. Nice clean blades. Look, see there. We'll get that on there. Look, see how that fits together. Really nice. Very well engineered. I love this razor, guys. It will be cleaned, it will be sterilised, and it'll be very, very well packaged when it comes to you. But you have no need to worry about that. It won't be in a box though. If you win, it'll just come like that. And I'll throw some blades in, and I'll put some soap in as well. We'll get you the shave out of it. There you go. That's it. Before we start, I'm delaying because I know the minute I lather up, Amazon. Right. And that's what she's only that big, little blonde chubby thing. She's nice, but you know, squeaky voice. Anyway, see the shelf of love. So there's, you've seen that, you've seen the brush, you've seen that, but see that, what's that? King C Gillette. Is it? There's a razor in there, guys. Well, it's a King C Gillette and you're going to tune in tomorrow for the because that's a new Gillette razor made by me. Little 5-minute, when you wake up tomorrow, there'll be a little 5-minute video waiting for you, and we'll show you the new King C Gillette. See, hey, thinking of you guys all the time. Right, let's wet the face. Oh, so how are you doing? I need to get in here with this. Look at, you can smell it, guys. I would put the scent strength in this at about 5. Look at that, straight away. Lovely, lovely, clean, fresh scent. Making up a lovely lather. That brush was very, very wet. A little too wet maybe, but look at this. We're getting on there. So, yeah, so how has everybody been? I'm back at work tomorrow. Not tomorrow, tomorrow's Sunday. I'm back at work on Monday. Oh, guys, I can't tell you yet. I've been so busy all week. And I've been putting extra videos out. And then the one time I needed to get my video done today, things just took a turn. When I wasn't able to get it out. I normally like to film it the night before, but I just couldn't. I was way too busy. There's stuff going on. But hey ho, that's life, isn't it? Let me know if you've used this Uncle John's. I've got another Uncle John's soap in there. It's Uncle John's pipe smoke. I tell you guys, I've never smelt a soap like it. It's absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely, without doubt, the best tobacco scented soap I've got, and I'll be using it soon. Here we go, 316 with this Gillette blue blade. These blades come to me courtesy of Flash Borden. Thank you, Flash. Flash has sent me so many blades. I need to send you some, Flash. Some of those sunny blades. You'll like them. They're good for the head shaving. So, yes, I've got a few new subscribers. Did you see Sinatra Lennon? Thank you. Thank you to Sinatra Lennon. That's another bit of housekeeping I wanted to take care of. He did a live yesterday, a very good live. I was in on it. And he shouted me out throughout the whole live. And as a result, when I got up this morning and checked, I had something like 16 or 13, somewhere 13, between 13 and 16 subscribers. So, inching ever closer to that magic 1K, aren't we? So thank you, Sinatra Lennon. So let me know what you think of the 316. Have you used Jons soaps? That's a fantastic razor. Let me know if you've used Uncle John's soap. I think this is from memory. This is the first time I've ever used them. But they're absolutely wonderful. I wanted to use the pipe smoke, but that was red and my razor's blue. So here we go. I'm parched, guys. I haven't stopped today. I have not stopped. You know, I feel like when dogs chasing the tail. I don't want to say too much. It's all. I love coming in here, having a shave, talking to myself, putting the world to rights, chatting to you guys. You know, but every now and again, life, it throws you a curveball, doesn't it? And it's all about how you catch that ball, isn't it? So there you go. Saturday, we're going to have some family over this evening. And we're going to have some Indian food. I'm having a curry. Now I like spicy food and I like hot food. But I'll be absolutely honest with you. It's not my first choice. But I haven't had it for a while. And I'm just in the mood for a curry, so we'll have a nice flavour, some aromatic curry, and maybe a glass of wine, and spend some time with some family members that are coming up to visit me and the mother. Here we go. Last pass, Edwin Jagger, 316 against the grain. This razor, guys, look at this. It just cuts through it. This soap is absolutely wonderful. Oh, there you go. So I'm going to finish this. I'm going to go in and edit it. That's the annoying thing about filming on a Saturday. The whole world and his wife use the internet, and whereby us a 20-25 minute video will normally take 20 or 25 minutes to upload. Today it will take about 2 hours. Oh. It's actually quicker to do it on my phone, but I prefer the editing software that's on my PC. That's why I tend to upload it via the PC now. There you go. That's our shave. Wonderful. Usual suspects. Lather mittens for Kim Gray. Did you see the picture Kim put on? Oh, Kim. Oh, get well soon, kid. Sending good vibes. Good vibes, healing vibes, and love over to you. In bucket loads, that picture. Oh my word, what the stuff you must be going through, kid. Here we go, anyway, lather mittens. this razor. Didn't I tell you? And we're back. Hey, here it is. Hey, should we do an impromptu unboxing? And I'll show you what was so important. I'll tell you what. I need this. When you're ready, we'll put the box down there. 2 for 1 today, guys. Coffee, ground coffee, Folgers. I'll be having some of that in the morning. Anyway, that's it. That's it. That's our shave. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Apologies for the lateness. I may let you know. Not let you know. May make it clearer in a video in future. You know, but stuff's going on. Life gets in the way. There it is. Look at that. Ready for the leaning. You know, there's a reason the women swoon over me. I mean, I'm not one for blowing my own trumpet, but there you go. Smooth as a baby's bum. That's it. Wonderful. We'll splash up with the baby powder. Somebody said, I think it was Andy, the opinionated Brit, what do you put on first? Splash or balm? As a general rule of thumb for me, just let me. I could just finish right there now and just. That is absolutely fantastic. That's absolutely awesome. Yeah, anyway, for me, as a general rule of thumb, I put the thinnest layer on first because the balms tend usually to be more skin foody. You can take a little bit longer to soak in, and whenever I've done it the other way around, whenever I've put the balm on and then the aftershave, it just doesn't it just doesn't feel right, guys. So there's our shave. Please let me know what you think. Please have a wonderful weekend, and remember, in a cold, dark world, be a beacon of warmth and light. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. I will see you on Wednesday. Oh no, I won't. Me and my pal that's hiding in there. We'll see you in the morning. Bye.